In Python, comments are used to explain what your code is doing, and they are completely ignored by the computer when the program runs. This means you can write anything as a comment, and it will not affect how your code works. There are two types of comments in Python: single-line comments and multi-line comments. A single-line comment starts with a hash symbol. Everything after that symbol is treated as a comment. For example, you can write hash this stores the user's age on one line, and then on the next line, write age equals 25. Or you can even place the comment after the code like this: age equals 25. Hash store the user's age. Both ways are perfectly fine, and they help make your code easier to understand. If you want to write a longer explanation that takes up more than one line, you can use multiple single-line comments stacked together. This style is very common in Python and keeps things simple. Another method for writing multi-line comments is using triple quotes, either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. You can write something like this as a longer comment spread across multiple lines. This works because Python sees it as a string that is not saved to any variable, so it gets ignored during execution. But keep in mind, this is technically a string, not a real comment. Comments are extremely helpful when you or someone else looks at the code later. And if you want to learn Python from scratch, follow my Zero to Hero Python series.